The immigration crime that is probably gathering the most attention right now is human trafficking. And the reason is because it's a very egregious form of crime. That is, people being brought into this country for the purposes of being put into prostitution or slavery, basically being an indentured servant for somebody. And oftentimes these people are children, almost always women, almost always people that are vulnerable. They may be vulnerable to begin with, but they're even more vulnerable when they arrive in this country because they don't speak the language, they don't have papers, they're scared, they don't want to turn to the police for help because they're worried that they themselves may be in trouble. And it's a crime that the government treats very seriously. There have been some very high-profile cases in which people have been brought in from various countries. They have paid a fee to whoever brings them in, and then in order to work off the fee, they have to work it off through prostitution. And it may take years to work off this fee, and sometimes there are very young children that are being involved in this type of activity. Other times it may not be quite as egregious, but they may be brought in as labor, as help in a home or in a business, and basically as a practical matter kept under lock and key. Now, not literally, but they are essentially not free to go anywhere and are scared to go anywhere and basically become a slave for years. The government is cracking down severely on the leaders of these organizations and cartels that are engaged in this type of criminal activity. If anyone from ICE should contact you regarding alleged involvement in human trafficking, you should not speak with them. You should tell them you want to speak with an attorney, and you should hire an attorney to represent you that is skilled in representing immigration offenses, including human trafficking.